Hey YouTubers, you have a Dodge Ram. This is an '07 where the stuff handles are coming loose, busted out. If you look down in there, there's cracks and whatnot. Hey, see if I can get it fixed with a kit from Amazon. The kit. Comes with some bushings. 2 big ones and 2 little ones. And some screws and whatnot. See what happens. First I take the handle off. Let me pop these covers off. Screwdriver. And we'll undo the screws that are in there. Doing this with the AC on because it's about 98 degrees out here in sunny Texas in July or August. Anyway, mine have 10mm bolts under here. This one is pulled out, so we won't get that one off till we pull the thing off. But there's one here. We'll take it off. Taking it off. And there it is. Okay, now we pull the thing up and out. There it is, and there is the other bolt. And here's what the bottom looks like. It's all boogered up, and that's the top. So now we see how it works. The next step is to effect a repair of these upper and lower cylinders. They get all cracked and pulled out from people yanking on them by putting these large cylinders over them, and you just kind of have to muscle them on, and then the inner cylinders will go on the inside. So I'll muscle mine on. That's how they look. And I will work on the bottom one with 2 hands. Okay, YouTubers, I'm back. Got them on, shoved them all the way on. And for me, this one was hard. But I took my diagonal wire cutters and trimmed around the outside a little bit. There were some tabs sticking out that will no longer be needed. Didn't want to cut too much. So let's put it together. So now we'll just stick it back on and work the rest from the front. Yeah, we reinstall it, and remember to line up those guide clips and just do the best you can to get it back in place. Next we install the inner bushings and the bolts that came with the kit. I'm guessing they go like that. Find the hole and screw it all back together. $10mm socket. I'll do the bottom. Here we go, doing the bottom ones. Let's put the bolt in the cup like that. And find the hole. Tighten it down. tighten it down. Make sure your weather stripping is all in the right place. Make sure the weather stripping is all in the right place. Look at that. Oh, and that's how you fix that problem in a Dodge Ram. It was only about $11 on the Amazon.